Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your CIT debit card for 2025. Whether you're a new customer or upgrading your account, getting your card up and running is a breeze and only takes a few minutes. This process ensures your card is secure and ready for all your transactions, from online shopping to everyday purchases. So, let's jump right in and get you activated. First things first. Once you receive your CIT debit card in the mail, start by carefully unpacking it. Check for any damage and make sure you have the activation code or sticker that usually comes with it. This is your key to getting started. Now, there are a few ways to activate your card, depending on what works best for you. The most common methods are via phone, online, or through the CIT mobile app. Let's start with the phone method. Grab your card and flip it over. You'll find a toll-free activation number. Call that number, enter the required information like your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and follow the voice prompts. It should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer going digital, head to the CIT Bank website. Log into your account using your username and password, navigate to the Card Services section, and look for the activation option. Enter your card details as prompted, and you're good to go. For those who love apps, download or open the CIT mobile app on your smartphone. After logging in, find the Activate Card feature, input the necessary info, and confirm. Pro tip: make sure you're in a secure location with a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups. Also, double-check that your personal information matches what's on file with CIT to prevent any delays. Once activated, test your card with a small purchase to ensure everything's working smoothly. If you run into issues, don't worry. CIT's customer support is available 24/7 to help. Activating your card is all about security and convenience, so you're one step closer to hassle-free banking in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.